I got a call out of nowhere, and she said, hello, hello. Is this Michael Gascon? Yes, yes it is. I heard you get a horse pretty calm and quiet. I've ridden a couple horses. Yes, ma'am. She said, do you think you could ride horses safely around lions and elephants and wildebeest? Yes, ma'am. I'm your man. I'm going to tell you a secret. I had never seen a lion in real life or rode around elephants. I was not sure in that aspect, but what I was sure is this. If I could control their head, I could control the horse. So when we started working those horses and got them soft and easy, we were taking colt starts with 2 days of training from scratch and going out with the group and going around water buffalo and going around elephants. It was not a big deal. That horse had been around those kind of things just living in Africa.